Okay, I'm just sitting here waiting for my computer card, well, from the computer with wheels to finish rebooting. Finish rebooting here. This should be 14. The latest FSD 14.2.2.2.2, you know. Just now installing Tesla Model Y 2026, 6.5 months old, 81,804 miles. Beginning today, December 30th, just installed the latest software. Wonder how this is going to work. So, for the past 30 days, we have done 14,920 miles, 14,877 of that is full self-driving. This is real world driving. So, y'all can get a kick out of this. Our very first full self-driving attempt. And I'm going to go to the Supercharger, of all places. And I want to see if it can get to the Supercharger. I don't know why it's routing that way, but it's sitting right over there. So just out of curiosity, I want to see if it can do it. So we're going to start self-driving. Already, it's going the opposite direction. Will it pull into the proper Supercharger spot here on the island? I doubt it. I'm doing this because I have 33 miles of range. I want to throw a little bit in here real quick. This Domino's driver is also a Uber Lyft driver as well. Okay, it is turning, so it's kind of going in the direction of the Supercharger, which this is a plus. But will it get to the Supercharger? Will it get to the Supercharger slot? Or are we going to be just like we were before and just driving circles around the parking lot? Okay, now, if it signals right here, that's the Supercharger there. That's the old Supercharger on the island. That's where it's at. And no. Okay, so it's still going to circle the parking lot. So it's not going to actually get to the Supercharger. Now, is the cameras looking for a standard Tesla Supercharger, trying to find it? Like every other one, and it maybe it just doesn't recognize those old urban Superchargers? I mean, we have them on the map. We have the exact location of them on the map. I'm not sure why my side view mirrors are still folded. That's kind of weird. Unfold. Okay, fold them and unfold them. That was kind of really weird that they stayed folded. Okay, one more loop, and then I'm going to try to signal and get it. So undoubtedly, it still can't find the Supercharger here at the hotel. And this is 14.2.2.2. Yeah, it still can't get to the Supercharger in the hotel parking lot that we are in. Instead, it's pretending like it's a baby shark circling the parking lot. Yeah. I mean, come on. At least it wasn't as bad when it used to just park in a destination parking spot. It's not going down any other aisle, so it's like it's not actively searching for the Supercharger. So maybe if I just waiting for these people to cross, it's following this other car, so it's going a little bit more than just circling. Okay, it's going to turn again. So it followed the other car. Sometimes I don't like it when it does that. Okay, so I'm gonna go and hit. No, we don't. Okay, I'm trying to cancel it, but no, it's not listening to me. Now it's listening to me a little late. I'm gonna go down this aisle here. I'm gonna try to get it to go over here. I'm gonna try not to disengage here. Okay, yeah, it was signaling for that. So maybe if it finds it this way. And no, it's gonna back up into a destination spot. And I'm just gonna re-engage, start. No, we wanna go forward. Start self-driving forward. No, it will not get to the supercharger. So I'm having to take over here. So the first time is just trying to get this supercharger. There's just no way I can get it to go here. And like I say, if we had that option of it showing us where it plans to park and us be able to choose a different spot, that would be a lot better. And then I could at least force it into that parking spot for the supercharger if we had that choice. Anyway, I'm gonna charge up here and then start another video as I try to do some Ubers and Lyfts on the island. Make a little more money tonight. Thank you.